Hi, Assalamualaikum to everyone. I'm Muhammad Indi bin Jari and this is my partner Syahduna bin Muhammad Isa. So today we will discuss about the electrical measurement using virtual laboratory. We from UTM space and we will discuss on the topic cost of instrument and measurement. Okay, we from group 6 and this is our lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Shukri bin Abidin. So we go for the objective to perform current and voltage measurement using electrical and electronic instrument using virtual instrument to learn the basic building of virtual instrument and using ThinkerCAD and to expose a parallel circuit simulation and calculation. And for the material, we use desktop or laptop, power supply, resistor, and voltage input. Okay, this is our question. We are from group 6. We have two questions, which is A and B. A is to calculate and measure the current across resistor R1, R2, and R3. Given that R1 is 1.5 kilo ohm, R2 is 4.7 kilo ohm, R3 1 kilo ohm. And for the question B is when an analog voltmeter with 20 volt range is used to measure the voltage across R1, R2, and R3, the reading is 4.95 volt. And we have to determine the internal resistance of voltmeter. If the emitter is in the circuit shown, the current reading of 9.4 milliamp. For the procedure is follow the circuit diagram connection, make the connection using software ThinkerCAD, run for the simulation, get the reading. Okay, for the question A, this is our connection from software, which is you can see from here. All the resistor and emitter and voltage supply are connected, and the reading is shown as the figure below. So for the result and calculation, I will pass to my partners to explain furthermore.
Okay, thank you very much to Mama Hamdi. Now I want to explain about the manual calculation. Okay, now this is manual calculation for measure the current for every resistance. For resistance R1, R2, and R3. We get the same value manual calculation compared to simulation ThinkerCAD. Okay, next. Okay, this is for question B. Actually, for this simulation, we cannot find the analog voltmeter. Then we cannot get the actual value as a manual calculation. Okay, we go to manual calculation. Okay, for the manual calculation, we get the internal resistance is we set as R4. The value is 51.172 kilo ohm. We cannot compare with the ThinkerCAD software. And next time we try my best to do the simulation again to get the actual value as per manual calculation. Thank you very much.